What's going on, people? So we're back again with another video. Today we're cooking liver. You don't know we have the best recipe here in town.
This on and then fry it. One brother-in-law myself. Yeah, he said, you don't have to take off this sticky pellejito, like this white skin. I tell him, I like to take it off. And I said, but when you cook it, it come off. You know what I say? Well, no. My granny showed me to do this way.
But take it off first.
And I wrap it with the plastic so it don't mess you up. So you beat it good.
Why you beating the meat like that, Chaka?
To take out the skin, the pellejito que está allí carnado. So this is beef liver, right? You want to cook it. You could go cook beef liver. Hey, did you know you could steam it in garlic sauce? Same liver. You can grill it also. You can fry it. And also you can cook it down. What to company? Tell them, J-Bone.
Rice, either boiled banana, boiled cassava, boiled dashi. Anything you want. You can also have like a green salad, potato salad. It all depends on how you want it.
Ah, so it will come off easy now when you beat it, so?
And you don't tape in it.
Taping, man.
So this one is a stick on because you never
Yeah, be
beat good. So that?
You know what's going for beat.
Yeah.
Right now.
See my brother wise, eh?
I think we're so.
Okay.
That's something money for my computer. Give me your hand. Hey, where you going?
What have you got the Chaka?
Vinegar.
And what you going to do with the vinegar?
So what I want to do with the vinegar, I don't have lime then. If you have lime, you squeeze some lime, add 3 lime over it in some water after you wash it the first time, and you leave it soaking, you know, to take out that little scent. So when I don't have lime, we're going to use vinegar right there. Right?
Yeah.
So we leave it soaking in some vinegar with water. Leave that there a little while. While that going soaking a while, before we throw off the water, we went into the rice. So we don't soak, we don't. You take when I throw off the water?
No.
Don't worry about that. So what you putting in here now?
Okay, so this is
Onion and
onion
sweet pepper.
and sweet pepper. After the garlic, we need a head of garlic to put in this, so we put the garlic after we mash the garlic and put. So salsa lisano, this is one of the best sauce, you know, to put in meat when you cook your meat. This is salsa lisano. So we're going to throw a little lisano in it.
You sponsored by San Salisano.
That's consume.
Consomme, right? So
How much spoon of consomme?
we're going to put 3 teaspoons enough for that. Not overflowing, eh?
How much pound of
4 pounds of liver,
4 pound of liver, okay?
1 sweet pepper,
Uh-huh.
1 onion.
1 onion, 1 pound of tomatoes, 1 head of garlic, 1 tablespoon of
1 tablespoon mustard.
mustard.
The other one a teaspoon is only tablespoon. I don't know what the difference.
You just want a spoon.
I don't know why they like say tablespoon and teaspoon.
Each one on a different side. Teaspoon more smaller, tablespoon is what you use for eat. You got this soup spoon.
What do you think?
So this one is what kind of spoon?
Tablespoon.
And what that one is over there?
You call it a teaspoon. Let me discard that there.
That's correct. Oh.
That's the
Disposable.
same spoon.
What this one is?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. So
But drink comic sugar.
Oh. We learned that here with cooking with Kenny and Greg.
and we just add little more of the vinegar. You can remember the first vinegar we put was to wash it and so a little bit. I still have the vinegar on it. Mix it up. Just put some of it. Puro como mi.
How much tablespoon that is?
So just put a little cover.
Okay, I cover that in that tablespoon. Let's cover.
Massive, you know.
So now this is the garlic that we cut up. We mash it, we take off this skin, and now we add in the garlic to that. Alaba shamba business.
I don't think it was my time chatting because you're talking music.
Yeah, he said earlier we are if I hold with Javon. Javon, hold with the clock. You're taking him, man. Hold with the clock, Javon. Take her, man. All of that come down.
Since we're not going to shop.
You know, we cooking down the liver, so we put a little bit of, we not fry it. You can fry it, as I said before. You know, you can do that. And what else you could do?
Encebollado or with onion.
Entomatizado y cebollado. Al mismo entomatizado, cebollado al mismo tiempo, carnal, ya tú sabes.
What is this?
How much liver should I cook? Maximum 25 minutes.
25 minutes I cook liver.
25 minutes to cook a liver. 15 to 25 minutes. Because if the liver cook too long, it get tough. So now what I'm adding, the tomatoes, the onion, the garlic, and make it fry up a little. Then call it jarred cola. Then put the little sauce that I'm going to make. You know that?
How this liver you know, Chaka? Encebollado.
Encebollado entomatizado.
Liver look like turtle meat, boy.
Then we never get the bread. Can we get bread?
I got to get the factory woman in Chaka.
Because the next one is bread kind. So how we not get the kind, we get the bread itself.
How it is, Javon?
Hey man, some don't get some gas.
Javon, how it is, Javon?
Effective, 100 good, the meat soft and
So that is cooking
It is
with
good.
Greg, liver.
Alright then. Chef Chaka could do it things.